This is the effort to replace the lower intake manifold gasket and the plenum on this 2005 Buick LeSabre with the 3800 Series 2 motor. It's been going through a lot of deck school, been leaking out. I'm also getting the P0420 error code for the downstream O2 sensor, you know, above normal or something like that. I'm not sure exactly what the message is, but the thinking is that it's not only leaking outside the engine, but it's leaking inside the engine and going through the cylinders, through the ignition, through the entire ignition cycle, so that it's causing that catalytic converter to follow and to be out of spec, or out of out of some kind of working parameters, working mechanism here. Trying to get as much of the engine that if I have to go back and look at this to see how things were routed up and above, you know, cables, connectors. I know I had to take the throttle connectors off when I take the throttle body loose from the plenum.